In this episode, we are going to be doing an activity for your substitution lesson. So, I hope that you are well mannered in the class this week, and I hope that you enjoy this lesson. This is a lesson that Mr. Green often used to do with me, and I remember it fondly from my childhood. The lesson is called half and half. So, in other words, you receive half a picture and you need to draw the other half exactly the same. Your substitution teacher will have some templates. Now, there's no reason to fight or shove or argue about which template you're going to get, because directly outside my class is a copy machine. My grade 6s, I would like you to do this lesson on your Chromebooks. In Sketchbook, there is a symmetrical function. So if you duplicate the layer and trace over your object or your half picture, you will be reproducing the picture with your symmetrical tool. So I hope you have fun in today's lesson. Follow along and let's get started. For this lesson, you are going to need the following. From the teacher in the class, you're going to choose an image that you're going to draw. This is the half and half image. You're going to be drawing on this side. A pencil from the stationery desk and an eraser. Later on in the project, you can use some coloring in pencils. However, I think it's going to take you 2 lessons to complete the drawing. Start your drawing by looking at the scale or the size of the animal or person that you are drawing. I normally measure with my pencil or my fingers. So I know that the scale that I'll be drawing at is the same scale as the opposing image. So I know that my drawing is going to be more or less that big. Also look at the width that you are working with. Use your fingers to measure, and you can make reference points on your page. Once you've got the scale of your object or person that you are drawing set with reference points, you can start looking at the shapes that are in your animal or person. I'm going to try and measure the scale over here, and I know that the nose of the animal is round. So I'm going to put in a shape that is round. Look at the various shapes that are inside the animal or person that you are drawing. Now that you've got the basic shapes and the approximate size of the object, person or animal that you are drawing, you can start looking at light and dark in your picture. Light and dark is an element of art, and we call this value. So this is going to take you quite a while. The golden rule of art is patience. So have fun with your drawing. Remember, you're trying to get your drawing symmetrical from the one side to the next side. You're not always going to get it right the first time, so you might need to adjust some of the shapes while you're busy adding value or while you're busy adding your shading. Well, I'm looking forward to seeing what you produced and what you drew this lesson. Remember, you didn't have to finish the drawing, but just get started. I certainly hope you had fun. I hope that you visit me in the mall this week. I want everybody to please bring their moms and dads along and try to write a message of hope on our rhino mural this week. I'm going to see you next week in class.